So if you were ever curious where the motor mounts are on this, there's one straight down in the front right there. Take you down the bottom side here real quick. Real easy to see right there. So it's just one bolt. Can't really get into the side there. Let's see. There you go. You can kind of see it there. One bolt holding it in there. I think there's one bolt that holds it on the car as well. Then you've got under where the air box would be on this side. You got that crusty thing. So yeah, it's just two bolts, one here and one here. There's three on the vehicle, plus two side ones that go down and in. There might be three side ones that go down and in, but I think it's only two. I could be wrong. Anyway, moving on. This side, you've got three bolts go to the transmission, and then this funny contraption over here. Got four bolts that go straight to the frame, and this whole plate removes and comes off. The one on the back side, it's hard to see, but you can see it from here. Zoom in there. And, yeah, there it is. So that bolt right there in the middle, that's it. Holds it to the rear of the transmission. Also, there's three bolts on the bottom side. And down here on the bottom side, it's a little bit dark, but that's the view. There's three bolts in a triangle. It's really easy to spot them. Take those three out, and the whole mount above it will pretty much come off.